Sure, man. To play my mom's death, being in the character of the son who's experiencing that has just been mind blowing. It's taken a lot to discover that you've lost your mother, that you've just only recently started trying to develop a good relationship with, discovering that she really is your mother. It's quite disheartening and discouraging because I'm a son who's trying to start a new life, and let go of the crime and get to know your loving mother, and then having to lose her at the hand of crime is quite intense. It's quite intense. It's taken a lot. Journey-wise, I've had to just recap and think of my experience, my journey as a character, and to it happening till this day where we lay her to rest has been quite an emotional roller coaster. What I miss most about Leleti Khumalo is her honesty. She is honest in her intentions, in her actions, in her choices. She's so natural, and whenever we get to work together, it's just so amazing and it feels so natural. She's shown me what it is to be an actor, the certain things, those nuances that really have the potential to make you stand out. Going forward, she's inspired me and she'll carry on inspiring me, and I'll take on those beautiful moments and those principles and techniques I've learned from her, even for my career and even for myself as an individual, for my own life. I'm blessed.